Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are breaking down some sensational news that is going to shake up everything, from your wallet to that bulky DSLR collecting dust on your shelf. Are you one of those people who still thinks real photography requires a heavy camera rig? Well, stop right there. Because Sony is gearing up to launch a camera killer that might just force you to sell your DSLR on eBay. That's right, guys, the Sony Xperia 2 is about to hit the market, and it's coming straight for the throats of the iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But the most shocking part, it might actually be more affordable than those giants. So, stick around as we exclusively reveal the secrets that make this phone an absolute beast. Features of the Sony Xperia 2. The display. First up, let's talk looks. Imagine a 6.83-inch 4K HDR OLED display. This screen isn't just made to be watched, it's made to be felt. We're talking HDR10 plus support, and a 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything buttery smooth. Every scroll, every animation, pure silk. But the magic doesn't stop there. Gamers, listen up, this phone packs a massive 360Hz touch sampling rate. That means every tap and swipe responds at lightning speed. If you're into competitive gaming, this is your new cheat code. Plus, you get all the premium staples, IP68 waterproofing and a snappy in-display fingerprint scanner. The DSLR killer camera. And now, the main event. The feature you've all been waiting for, the camera. Folks, buckle up, because the Sony Xperia 2 is about to take you to a new dimension of mobile photography. Sony has injected the DNA of their professional alpha camera division straight into this device. The star of the show, a massive 1-inch, 50-megapixel main sensor. The detail and clarity in low light are going to be unlike anything we've ever seen on a smartphone. Backing that up is a 48-megapixel ultrawide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. But wait for the mic drop. Have you ever imagined your smartphone camera moving physically like a DSLR? Rumor has it, this phone features a rotating camera mechanism. This means actual, physical control over zoom and focus. This feature alone makes it a dream for creators and pros. Top that off with 4K at 120fps video recording, Zeiss T-coating on all lenses to cut the glare, and a crisp 32-megapixel selfie shooter, and you've got a complete package. Performance beast. Behind a camera that good, you need a brain that's just as powerful. Under the hood, we're looking at the world's most powerful mobile chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Whether it's heavy gaming or editing 4K video on the fly, this phone won't even break a sweat. It's all running on the new Android 16, supported by a whopping 16GB of superfast LPDDR5X RAM, and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Basically, lag is a word this phone doesn't understand. Battery powerhouse. To fuel all this power, you need a serious tank. That's why Sony packed in a heavy-duty 5500 mAh battery. Even with heavy usage, this is easily an all-day device. And when you do run dry, 66-watt fast charging will get you back in the action in no time. Price and launch date. Now, for the million-dollar question, or rather, the $1,000 question. What's the damage? According to leaks, the Sony Xperia 2 is expected to land in the US around $1,199. Now, I know that sounds steep, but when you consider you're getting a DSLR-level camera, a 4K display, and top-of-the-line performance, it might actually be the best value for money flagship out there. What do you guys think? Does the price justify the specs? Let me know down in the comments. As for the launch date, nothing is official yet, but the second an update drops, you'll hear it here first. So, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out.